it's one thing sitting in a mosque or in a Husseiniya and listening to the narrations. It's fine, it's okay. Everybody has their own way, but just knowing that the sword is going to hit your head on the morning after, sort of brings the whole thing so much more to life, and you actually feel like as if you're actually there with Imam Hussein. It brings, like I say, everything so much more to life. And it's also a bit of a test for yourself, because you're saying there throughout the 10 days of first 10 days of Muharram, Ya Hussein, laytana kunna ma'akum, and it's a test for yourself whether you can actually face up to that sword hitting you, on the head, or whatever. Some people do the thing on the back, and it shows some kind of commitment in a way, And then, of course, throughout the year, because this is going to happen over and over again, it encourages you to do better, to be a better person, and to work more for human rights, for all kinds of rights, and for various beneficial causes and everything. Just one more message I'd like to say to those Shias who criticize it because they're worried about what other people might think about Shias when they see Shias practicing Takbir and see the blood and everything. You see, the problem is that people are going to criticize Shias anyway, with or without Takbir. Because if we were worried about what people think about Takbir, then we also have to worry about what people will think about praying on the stone. They might say, well, you pray to the stone, so you might as well stop being Shia altogether.